Let's look at question 4. Again, every question is asking you about surface area. Remember, it's the area or the square units on all of the faces of a three-dimensional object. So this box has 6 faces, top and bottom, that are going to match. To me, this looks like a cereal box laid on its side, or maybe a box that you would get a clothing item wrapped in at Christmas time, right? Maybe a sweatshirt or a shirt or pair of pants. Something is wrapped in a box like a clothes box rather than a toy box. Anyway, the top face and the bottom face match. Just like that would if you were thinking about one of those kinds of boxes I was describing that's laying there. The top and the bottom match. The front and the back match. Now this one, the way it's laying, this would be the front up here and the back here, these little tiny, long, narrow faces. And the sides are even longer. The side panel and this one over here on the left are the matching side faces. So 6 faces and pairs of them match. So the top and the bottom have dimensions of 25 by 20, and 25 times 20 is 500. At 500, you need 2 of them because one 500 would be the bottom and the other would be the top. So that would be 1,000 centimeters squared. The front and the back also match. 25 centimeters by the height here, which is 4. So 25 by 4 is 100 centimeters squared, but we need 2 of those because the front and the back are being counted. So we double that 100 and make it 200. So far we have 1,200. And the last pair of side faces are the side faces. So this side that is 20 by 4, 20 times 4 or 4 times 20, either order is 80. And then there's 80 on this side for this area. And those 2 groups of 80 together are 160. So there's just a lot to keep track of. That's why you need to write this down, right? That you keep track of each face. What dimensions are you using? What's the area? And that you double the top to get the top and the bottom, the front to get the front and the back, the side to get the 2 sides. And then we just add these all together. So I wrote it out here this time. Total surface area, 1,000 from the top and the bottom, 200 from the front and the back faces, and 160 from the 2 side faces. So adding that together is 1,360 centimeters squared, or square centimeters. That's the total surface area of all 6 faces on this rectangular prism.